Head Fit family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hope. Into this workout, we're going to do some thick thighs toning exercises. I really hope you enjoy. If you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. The first exercise we're going to do is the treadmill incline walk. You want to set your incline to about 8 to 12, and you want to set your speed to about 2 or 3. Walk briskly on this treadmill, making sure that your chest is high, your core is tight, and you want to walk for about a minute or two. All the exercises in this video will be in the drop box down below, so definitely check it out and try them. Let me know what you think. So the next exercise is the barbell reverse lunge and squat. You want to bring your right leg, step behind you, bend your knee to a 90-degree angle and lunge. Bring your leg back under your center of mass. Bring your left leg stacked behind you. Bend your knee into a 90-degree angle and lunge. Bring your legs back to your center of mass and then squat back up, and repeat this action for about 5 to 8 repetitions. We're going to repeat these exercises for 3 sets. So for the second set, we're going to go back on the treadmill. Remember to keep your incline at 8 to 12, your speed to 2 or 3. Just try to contract your core, breathe smoothly, and just walk at a brisk pace. Next, we're going to go to the barbell reverse lunge and squat. Remember to keep your chest up. Try to bend your knee at a 90-degree angle. You do not want your knees to go over your toes because we want to protect those knees.
Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose.
Back on the treadmill. I know we're breathing hard by now. Just keep going. You're doing great. Just continue walking at a brisk pace. You're gonna feel your legs getting really fatigued, but that's a good thing, so keep going. For the barbell reverse lunge and squat, just make sure that your chest is up, your core is tight. Try to keep your knees from going over your toes because we always want to protect our knees. And I know the form is going to start going out the window because we're getting a little fatigued. Just always keep your form in mind.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one me for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. Ready.
Okay guys, next we're going to transition into some squats. So as you can see, I'm going to keep it very light because I want more repetitions. So I'm only using 45 pounds on each side. My legs are shoulder width apart, chest is high, glutes is tight. I'm gonna make sure that my knees are not going over my toes. My glutes is gonna be low, thighs are parallel to the ground. And I'm gonna repeat this between 12 to 15 repetitions. Next, we're going to transition into barbell deadlift. This is such a great compound exercise. It works your hamstring, your glutes, your back. It's just a really good one when done right. So you want to keep your legs shoulder width apart. You want to make sure that your back is straight. You never want to curve your back during any time of this exercise. So keep your back straight, keep the weight close to your body, and slowly lift the weight up from the ground with your back straight, chest up. And then once you get straight up, you want to squeeze your glute and then slowly get back down, bring the weight back to the ground, and repeat this motion for about 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, I'm going to go back to the squat machine, making sure that I'm doing about 10 to 15 repetitions. I'm going to bring my legs from doing a wide stance to a narrow stance just to work my inner thighs and just making sure that my form is intact.
Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
Going back to the deadlift, this time around I'm going to do sumo deadlift, which means that I'm going to widen my stance. My toes are going to be pointed outwards. My hands are going to be on the inside of my thighs or on the bar. I'm going to keep my arms on the over-under position and just bringing the weight up until I'm in a vertical stance, and then repeating that by bringing it back down slowly. Once again, you want to make sure that your back is straight, your chest is up, and you're really using your hamstring, your quads, your glutes to really lift up this weight, and you want to keep your proper form. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy and plan to try some of these workouts out and share them. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to me. Give me a thumbs up and let me know other workouts you'd like to see. See you fabulous people in my next video. Bye guys.